Cleaning with toothpaste is a quick jewelry hack when you want your gold accessories to look shiny and new in just a few minutes. Toothpaste can help get rid of dirt, grime, and tarnish from gold jewelry. The first step is to mix a small amount of toothpaste with water. 1 to 2 tablespoons will do. Next, squeeze a little bit of toothpaste. You don't need a lot, especially if you're cleaning only 1 or 2 jewelry pieces. Stir the toothpaste solution until you create a runny consistency. It's best to use white toothpaste, as colored and flavored toothpaste may contain more abrasive ingredients that can cause scratches on your gold accessories. Next, apply the toothpaste solution to your gold jewelry using a soft, bristled toothbrush. Scrub very gently in circular motions. Remember to brush gently, as toothpaste is mildly abrasive. Also, avoid using a toothbrush with hard bristles. If you don't have an old toothbrush with soft bristles, you can use a microfiber cloth to rub the toothpaste solution on your gold. Once you have removed all dirt and grime buildup, you can now rinse your gold accessory with water, ensuring there's no residue in any nook or crevice. Take your time washing your gold accessory thoroughly. Finally, dry and polish gently with a clean microfiber cloth. Now you have restored the stunning luster of your gold jewelry, and you can confidently head out wearing your sparkly accent piece.